If the elephants have past lives, yet are destined to always remember, it's no wonder how they scream. Like you and I, they must have some temper. And I am dreaming of them on the plains, dirtying up their bed, watching for some sign of rain to cool their hot heads. If the tiger shall protect her young, and tell me how did you slip by? All my instincts have failed me for once. I must have somehow slept the whole night. And how dare that you say you'll call, when you know I need some peace of mind. If you had to take sides with the animals, won't you do it with one who is calm? So for those of you falling in love, keep it kind, keep it good, keep it right. Throw yourself in the midst of danger, but keep one eye open at night.
Thank you, Carmen. Again, that was act number 1801, Elephants.